What if I told you that the information you consume every day, the news you read, the videos you watch, the posts you like, and even the opinions you hold, are not truly yours? That behind every click, scroll, and search, there's a silent intelligence deciding what you should see, and more importantly, what you shouldn't. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the world of hidden algorithms, the invisible AI that controls the flow of global information. Every second, over 70,000 Google searches are made, 4 million YouTube videos are watched, and 1.7 million posts are shared on social media. But have you ever wondered who decides what shows up on your screen? We assume that information online is free, that we have access to everything. But in reality, we're only seeing what AI systems choose to show us. These systems decide which ideas rise, which voices get amplified, and which truths remain buried. And the more data we feed them, the more they learn about us. Our fears, our desires, our biases, all mapped, analyzed, and used to shape the very reality we believe in. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden AI network quietly controlling the world's information. From social media algorithms to search engines, to the powerful AI systems now influencing politics, culture, and even human thought itself. Because whoever controls information controls the world. 1. The birth of algorithmic control. Let's start at the beginning. When social media exploded in the early 2000s, companies needed a way to manage the overwhelming flood of content. Millions of posts were uploaded every minute. So they created algorithms, automated systems that decide what's relevant to each user. At first, these systems were simple. They tracked your likes, clicks, and watch time to suggest similar content. But over time, they evolved into something far more complex. Self-learning AIs that could predict what you would engage with before you even saw it. Today, these algorithms are no longer simple recommendation engines. They are behavioral architects, systems that shape attention, emotion, and even belief. Think about it. The average user spends more than 2.5 hours per day on social media. Every second of that time is optimized by AI to keep you hooked, feeding you just enough outrage, validation, and curiosity to keep scrolling. And while we think we're choosing what to consume, in reality, the AI is choosing for us. 2. The invisible powerhouses, Google, Meta, and TikTok. 3 companies control the majority of global online attention. Google, Meta, Facebook, and Instagram, and TikTok. And each one uses advanced AI models that constantly rewrite the rules of visibility and influence. Google's AI, the gatekeeper of knowledge. Google handles over 90% of global search queries. But Google's search results aren't purely objective. They're curated. The company's algorithm, driven by AI, decides which websites, opinions, and facts you see first. And with most people never going past the first page of results, Google's AI effectively acts as a filter for human knowledge. It decides what's true enough to appear and what's buried in digital oblivion. Even subtle changes in its algorithm can make or break entire industries, political campaigns, or social movements. Meta's AI, the architect of emotion. Facebook and Instagram use deep learning systems that study your facial reactions, typing speed, and even how long your eyes linger on a post. This data fuels an emotional profile, a digital mirror of your psychological state. Then the AI tailors your feed to amplify emotions, especially outrage, because anger keeps users engaged longer. The result? Entire societies split into echo chambers. Each group convinced they're right, and the other side is insane. TikTok's AI, the future of influence. TikTok's For You page is perhaps the most advanced AI content engine ever built. Its secret algorithm learns about you faster than any human could, analyzing micro-behaviors in milliseconds. Within hours, it can identify your sense of humor, your insecurities, your preferences, and even your political leanings. Then it feeds you videos that reinforce them, shaping identity through repetition and reward. It's not just entertainment anymore. It's programming, disguised as fun. 3. The rise of deep personalization. We're entering an era of hyper-personalized reality, where two people living on the same street can see entirely different versions of the world. This is called the filter bubble effect, and it's powered by AI. Imagine two users, Alex and Jordan. Alex believes the economy is collapsing. Jordan believes it's booming. Both open YouTube and search for US economy news. Alex's AI feed shows videos confirming his fears. Jordan shows ones praising growth and stability. Both walk away convinced they're seeing facts. In truth, both are trapped in algorithmic realities designed to maximize engagement, not accuracy. This is the silent evolution of control. Not through censorship, but through curation. 4. The political dimension, AI and democracy. Here's where things get truly concerning. During elections, AI-driven content recommendation systems can influence how millions think, without any direct manipulation from governments or media. Political strategists now use AI-powered sentiment analysis tools to test which messages resonate emotionally, then flood social media with micro-targeted content. Some nations have even developed state-controlled AI propaganda systems, capable of amplifying narratives across thousands of fake accounts in seconds. These systems don't argue, they nudge, by showing you certain stories, comments, and statistics until your mind fills in the rest. And because everything happens algorithmically, there's no clear villain to blame. No single person flipping switches. Just millions of automated AIs optimizing for attention, not truth. 5. The hidden layer. AI moderation and information suppression. There's another kind of AI operating behind the scenes. Moderation AIS. These systems automatically scan billions of posts daily, deciding what stays online and what gets removed. On paper, this prevents hate speech and misinformation. But in practice, these AIs often make opaque, automated decisions that can silence journalists, whistleblowers, or dissenting voices, simply because their language doesn't fit the AI's training data. And since no one truly knows how these systems interpret context, there's little accountability. What happens when truth itself violates an AI's policy? 6. The corporate war for control. Behind all this lies a new kind of global arms race, the AI attention war. Every tech giant is competing to build the most predictive, most persuasive AI system. The goal is simple: control the flow of attention. Because in the digital age, attention is currency. The more a company knows about you, the more it can influence what you buy, believe, and desire. That's why companies like OpenAI, Google, and Meta are now building multimodal AIs, systems that analyze text, images, speech, and behavior together, effectively understanding humans better than we understand ourselves. In the wrong hands, this power could turn the internet into the most sophisticated manipulation machine in human history. 7. The next phase. Generative AI and synthetic information. With the rise of generative AI, like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Sora, the very source of online information is changing. We're entering an age where much of what we read, watch, or hear is no longer created by humans. AI-generated news articles, deepfake interviews, and automated opinion bots are flooding the web. Soon, it will be almost impossible to tell the difference between real information and synthetic information. And when reality itself can be fabricated by machines, who decides what's true? 8. Is there any escape? So, can we escape this invisible AI control? The truth is, not completely, but awareness is the first line of defense. You can diversify your information sources. Use AI detection tools and fact-checkers. Support platforms that prioritize transparency. And most importantly, question why you're seeing what you're seeing. Because in a world where information is weaponized, critical thinking becomes the ultimate shield. Right now, as you watch this video, multiple AIs are analyzing it, deciding who gets to see it, who won't, and how it ranks. Even this message isn't free from algorithmic influence. But understanding that, recognizing the hidden system behind the screen, is how you take the first step back toward control. Because power in the digital era doesn't belong to the loudest voice. It belongs to the algorithm that decides who gets heard. And until we uncover the hidden AI controlling the world's information, we'll keep mistaking manipulation for choice and illusion for truth.